I'm recording this video so I can remember how to do an MC4 extension cable. Right here, I'm adding the cable sleeve. If you can see, I'm holding it with my left hand, and then I push the sleeve going forward with my right hand, and I just keep doing it, going in circles and circles until I reach the right length that I need. Then I cut it. And then I add tape in order to hold the sleeve in place to make it easier for me to slide the heat shrink wrap between the cable and the sleeve. Here I am again showing you all the tools I'm going to need in order to be able to properly terminate the MC4 connectors on this cable. This is a 10 gauge stranded copper cable. It's specifically made for solar wiring. And the reason I say that because the thickness of the cable sheeting is real thick. Here I am using the crimping tools, especially made for the MC4 connectors. I'm using the middle slot in order to hold the connectors I can push the cable through to make sure that I push the connector all the way in, and I should be able to hear. I should hear a click. That's going to let me know it's all the way in. If not, when you get ready to twist it or tighten the cable down, it may be loose and it may not make contact with the opposite end. Here I'm using the tools that were provided with the MC4 connectors I bought with the kit. As you can see, I'm using both tools to lock it, and as I try to spin it, as soon as you feel a click or you feel the tool is real tight to move it around, that's when you're done. As you can see, I'm getting ready to put the heat shrink wrap. I'm measuring it so it's between the cable sleeve and the cable, so it hits right there in the center. I'm testing the heat gun to make sure it's hot enough. Going back and forth, I'm rotating the cable, make sure I'm getting heat in all sides. Below, on the description, I'm going to include the parts that I use so I can recall which parts I need to buy if I need to redo this cable.